DAA Part A first program. So program is what? C program to perform knapsack problem using ready solution. So before we start program, we will see what do you mean by knapsack. So knapsack means a bag called what? Knapsack with limited capacity. So this bag or knapsack has a limited what capacity here. So only till that capacity you can store the item. So you can store number of items here. Okay. So each item has their own weight and what profit. Suppose this is a item 1, this is 2 and this is a 3. So each item has their own weight and capacity here. So greedy solution means what? We are storing item like that way that we will get profit more and maximum. Okay. So maximum how we will get profit, that way we are storing item means what? Here greedy solution. So for that we are calculating here ratio. So ratio means what? Ratio is equal to what? Profit divided by weight here. Okay. So whatever profit getting from that item divided by weight, where we will get here ratio. Okay. So we will start writing program here. First is what here? Hash include std io.h. We are including header file, that is input output header file. Then void main, and here we have to declare variable n. N is for number of item, how many items you have, and we are storing into that bag. Okay. So first we will read the number of item here. Printf enter number of item scanner %d address of n. Okay, after reading the n number of item, what you have to write down? You have to declare the variable of float, that is weight of each item and profit of each item. For that we are taking one weight array. So size for that weight array we are putting n here. So how many number of item you are writing, that block, that much block you are creating for weight. Okay. And then profit, for profit also n block, and ratio also n block here. Okay. So suppose n equal to here 3. So what you are creating? Weight you are creating 3 block of weight, then profit 3 block, and ratio 3 block here. Yes, got it. Next what you have to do? You have to read the weight and profit of each what item. So printf enter weight and profit of each item. So for that we are taking for loop here. So one variable we will declare here I. Okay. For I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So this one is a 0 block, 1 and 2. So 0 to 0, 1, 2. 3 block we are reading here. Okay. So for that, what you are doing? Scanf %d. One is for weight and one is for profit. Okay. Address of weight and address of profit. So weight of I and P of I. Okay, why you are putting I here? Because weight of 0th block. First we are reading, profit of 0th block we are reading. Okay. And then we have to calculate ratio. Ratio of I equal to what? Weight of I divided by, profit of I divided by weight of I here. Okay. So how we are calculating? Suppose what n is 3 here. So we are creating 3 block. We are reading here weight of I. Suppose weight of I here 20 and profit of P of 0 is 100. So this profit is 100. Then weight of 1 is 30 and profit of 1 is 120. Next 10 and here 60. So this we are reading. Same time what we are calculating R of I. So R of I is what here? Profit divided by weight. So 100 divided by 20 is what? 5. 120 divided by 30 is what? 4. And 60 divided by 10 is what? 6 here. Okay. So this is what your ratio, 5, 4, 6. So what you have to do? You have to put this all things in a descending order. Okay. So who will get more profit? So second block. So second item will get more profit here. Okay. So this one we have to put first, and then second one, fifth one, then fourth. Okay. So like that way we are putting into the knapsack, or you can say in the bag. So this we have to put in a descending order. So first which one get profit, that we have to put into first. So this how you will have to make it in descending order. First take 2 for loop here, I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus. Next for loop is J's for loop, j equal to I plus 1 you have to take, and then j is less than n, j plus plus. Okay. So here we are checking if ratio, we have to check R of I is less than R of j. Then what you have to do? You have to exchange. R of I value is what now? 0. First time it is 0. And j value is what? I plus 1. So this 0 and 1. These two we are comparing here. Okay. If R of 0 and 1, R of 0 is less than R of j, then we have to exchange here. But these are not what? This 5 is but not less than 4. So we are not exchanging anything here. So for exchange, if this is a less, then what we have to do? First we have to exchange this weight. So one variable we will take, that is t, temporary variable t. There we are storing what? Weight of I. Okay, and then in weight of I we are storing what? Weight of j. and in weight of j you are storing what? Temporary variable. Okay. Next, same way, what you have to change? Profit. Profit also you have to change. So this one is a not equal. So what happen? J will be increased and j value will become what? I plus j value will become j plus plus, that is 1, 2 will come. So here 2 will compare. 6 is what? Greater. So 6 will become here. So how it will come? First we will find out exchange. Temporary T equal to P of I. P of I equal to. So I written swapping here. Swapping of what? Weight, swapping of profit and swapping of ratio. Okay. So how it will work? See here. First we are checking here if R of 0 is less than R of 1. So this is a condition is here false. So we are skipping all this statement. Next what we are doing? We are go to the for loop. So j will increase by 1. J is what? 1 before. So now j will become 2 here. Okay. So R of 0 is less than R of 2. 0 and 2. Yes, this condition is true. If condition is true, then what we are doing? We are storing W of I. So first time I value is what here? 0. Okay. And j value is what? 2. Okay. So what we are doing? Here in temporary variable we are storing what? Whatever W of I. What is W of I here? 20. Okay. So it will become empty. Okay, this 0th block will become emptier. W of I is what? W of 0 equal to, now what we are doing? W of j means W of 2. What is there in W of 2? 10. So 10 we are putting into the W of 0 here. Yes, got it? Next what we are doing? W of j equal to t. W of j means what? 2. So in 2 block what we are putting value of t. So 20 we are putting here. Yeah. Same way we are exchanging here also. So this is a swapping of what? This profit block. So 60 will come here and 100 will come here. Next 6, this one becomes 6 and this one become 5 here. Okay. After this what we are doing? Again we are come out of this loop because j 2 is less than n, but 3 will not less than n. So I will increment, I will become 1 and j will become 2 here. So this block and this block we are comparing. Okay. So here also same way, 4 is less than 5. So what we are doing? We are exchanging weight, profit and ratio again. Okay. So 30 will, what we are putting into temp variable and this will become here. Okay. Here 30, 20 will become here. Again 30 we are putting into the second block. Same way here 100. In temporary variable we are putting 120, then 100 we are putting here and 120 again we are putting in this block. Same way 5 will become here and 4 will become here. So this way we are putting all this value in the descending order, 6, 5, 4. So only we are not putting all R value, means ratio value. So similarly we are arranging this also according to this value. Okay, so item 0 ratio, item 0 profit, and item 0 weight will be come in 0 block only. Okay, same way here. Yes, got it. Why we are exchanging all this? Because according to ratio, weight and profit should be there. Yes, got it. So after putting all this value in descending order, what we have to do? We have to put this item into the knapsack or bag. Now we have to read the capacity of bag now. Yeah. So print here, enter capacity of bag, or you can say knapsack here. Okay. So how to read capacity? Scanner percentage D, or you can say percentage F here. Okay, because in floating point also you can read the capacity here. So address of C. So C means what? Capacity. You can write down float. First we have to declare here float C. Okay. So after declaring the and reading the capacity, what you have to do? You have to store all the item into that bag here. Okay. For that we are taking for loop I equal to 0. I is less than n I plus plus. So what you have to check here? Weight, profit and ratio. So according to the ratio, you are arranging all the weight and profit in descending order. Okay. So we have to store one item into the bag here. So what we have to check? Capacity of the bag. First what we are reading here? Capacity of bag. Okay. Suppose capacity of bag is 50 kg here. Okay. So only 50 kg item you can store here. So first what you have to check here? Capacity of bag. If capacity of bag is 0, then we have to break. Break means we can't store any other item in the bag. So first we have to check the capacity. After that we have to check weight of the item. So first item weight we have to check if that weight is less than capacity. Okay, that weight is less than capacity, then only you can store the item into the bag. Okay, so after storing item, what we should have to do? We have to add the profit. Okay, how much profit you will get? 60 rupees. So for that, one more item we will take, that is total. Variable we have to take total equal to 0. So first total is how much? 0. We have to add the total. So total plus equal to what? Profit of I. So first item profit we are adding to the total here. Okay, total plus equal to profit of I means what? Total equal to total plus profit of I. Okay, so whatever total we will get previously, in that we are adding what? Present item total here. Okay, after that what you have to do? We have to reduce the capacity. Means now first capacity is what? 50 kg. So after adding one item, that is 10 kg weight item, then you will get how much capacity here? 40. So 50 minus what? 10. So capacity equal to, sorry, C equal to C minus weight of I. Yes. So first item you will add here. Second item also you can add. Okay, because this now capacity is what? 40 here. So second item is what here? Weight is 20. So 20 is also less than 40. So you can add that profit. Okay, so total plus equal to P of 1. P of 1 is what here? 100. So 60 plus, see here, total is 60. 60 plus present item profit is what? 100. So you will get 160. Yes. Next, capacity we have to reduce. So weight of I, weight of 1 is what? 20. Capacity is what? 40. So 40 minus 20, you will get how much? 20 now. Yes, got it. Next, check third item. So third item is weight is, check, see here, weight of I, weight of 2. Weight of 2 is less than C. C is what? 20. Capacity is 20 here. So this condition will become false here. So what should you have to do? Only 20 kg profit of the third item you have to add here. Else what you should have to do? Total equal to profit of I, means whatever profit is there of third item we have to add, but how much? Whatever capacity is remaining divided by weight of I. Okay, so only 20 kg of 20 kg weight item of profit you are adding it. Yes, got it. So see here how it will get. P of I, what is P of I? 120 into capacity is what? 20 divided by weight of I is how much? 30. So how much you will get? 80. Okay, so 80 profit from the third item we are adding in your total here. So 160 plus 80, how much you will get? 240. So total profit is, how much you will get? 40. Now capacity is what? Whole 20 we are adding here. First we are adding how much? 20 kg. Again this third item 20 kg. Yes, got. This is the first item, second item and third item. Then after adding what? Third item, what you should have to do? 0 here. Next, close and print. Total profit equal to percentage of and total. So this is the for loop. This opening bracket here you have to close, and this is the main function. Yes, here is your output. Total profit 240.